Hi there to the new video of the 2025 Lexus RX 350F Sport. It is an expressive SUV that redefines the luxury segment through its design's dynamic details and elegance. While the exterior independently evolved into this latest design, the center of the car remains dominated by the refined spindle grille that is more pronounced and complex than ever before, and is encased by sharp angles that give the front-end look of a warrior. Complementing the sporty genre, a unique F-Sport body kit that features a rear spoiler and aggressive front-rear bumpers gives it an enhanced, stylish, and powerful appearance. Large 21-inch alloy wheels, and an aerodynamically sculpted side profile. From every perspective, the exterior design of the RX 350F Sport is a combination of luxury and sporty aesthetics that embodies the Lexus brand. The LX 350's main secret belongs to the 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, which develops 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers impressive acceleration and a slick, quick shift that is good for both short and long drives. New for the F-Sport trim is an adaptive suspension system. The additional available all-wheel drive provides better traction on different surfaces, which makes this model not only stylish, but also high performance for the SUV segment. Inside, the RX 350F Sport is comfortable and luxurious and comes equipped with many high-technology features. Optional premium features such as leather-trimmed sports seats or aluminum interior trim points along with a 12.3-inch display offer a logical sense of integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, respectively. Artificial and natural lighting and enhanced interior trims, available carbon fiber trim, create an even more luxurious cabin feel. General ergonomics in the interior, including an innovative driver's sightline on the dash, and technological features, including the upscale infotainment system, give an upper hand to its driving, while the heat and cooling mechanisms for seats offer comfort to all passengers for both short and long-haul driving instances. A pleasant driving experience is apparent and synonymous with safety, as the RX 350F Sport offers Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. It has fitted the following features in the suite: adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency brake, and blind spot detection to enhance the safety of the driver and passengers. Additional driver assistance features, including rear crossing traffic alerts and traffic sign recognition, further enhance a safe driving environment. Adding parking assistance and a surround view camera makes the process of parking less confusing and makes the driver more aware of everything, which shows Lexus's commitment to safety. The new 2025 Lexus RX 350F Sport will be available at a price tag of approximately, which is quite reasonable for a luxury SUV with ultimate comfort and a touch of performance and high-end design. Perfect for purchasers interested in well-endowed luxury and sportier performance, the RX 350F Sport promises an exciting driving dynamic, as well as an ability to meet utilitarian functions with innovative features, premium touches, and incredible safety equipment. This one is a wide-ranging model that may turn Lexus's tradition of crafting excellent cars with comfortable rides for both luxury and performance consumers wanting in one body. To subscribe to my channel for more cars released, like, and share my video.